Have you ever felt like you're not getting the respect you deserve in your relationship? Like your partner just doesn't see you the way you want to be seen? Well, today we're going to change that. We're going to unlock the secrets to instant respect. You deserve to be with someone who values you, who admires you, who respects you for the amazing man you are. And the truth is, earning that respect isn't about demanding it. It's about embodying the qualities that command respect naturally. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make her respect you instantly, and it's simpler than you think. We'll dive deep into the 7 powerful steps that will transform your relationship and have her looking at you with a newfound admiration. So let's get started, shall we? 1. Respect is earned, not demanded. It's like that old saying, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. You can't force someone to respect you, but you can inspire them to. Let's dive into the first step. Think about the people you respect most in your life. Are they demanding and entitled, or are they confident, compassionate, and trustworthy? My guess is it's the latter. When we approach our relationships with an air of entitlement, like we deserve respect simply because we exist, we create resistance. It's like trying to force a square peg into a round hole. It just doesn't work. Instead, focus on cultivating the qualities within yourself that naturally command respect. It's about shifting your mindset from what can I get to what can I give. Because true respect flows from a place of admiration, and we admire those who inspire us, those who uplift us, those who empower us to be our best selves. So let go of the need to demand respect and start focusing on becoming the most respectable version of yourself. That's where the magic happens. 2. Confidence is key. It's like a magnet that draws people in, that makes them sit up and take notice. Think about the last time you saw someone walk into a room with their head held high, a smile on their face, and an aura of self-assurance. Didn't you instantly feel drawn to their energy? Now, I'm not talking about arrogance or cockiness. That's a whole different ballgame. True confidence is quiet. It's understated. It comes from knowing your worth and owning it. Think about Denzel Washington, for example. He doesn't need to shout from the rooftops about how talented he is. He simply embodies confidence in every role he plays, in every interview he gives. He commands respect because he respects himself. And the beautiful thing about confidence is that it's contagious. When you believe in yourself, it gives others permission to believe in you too. It inspires trust, it inspires admiration, and ultimately it inspires respect. So, how do you cultivate this magnetic quality? Start by acknowledging your strengths, celebrating your accomplishments, and embracing your imperfections. Remember, nobody's perfect, but we're all perfectly imperfect in our own way. 3. Be a good listener. In a world full of distractions, true listening is rare but powerful. It builds respect and connection in relationships. Listening means being present, understanding, and valuing others. When we truly listen, we show others they matter. Practice reflective listening, repeat, clarify, and empathize. A simple shift in communication can transform relationships. 4. Setting boundaries. So, it's about knowing your worth and, well, what you will and will not tolerate. It's about communicating your needs clearly and respectfully. And yeah, it's about standing your ground when someone tries to cross those lines. Think about it like this. Imagine a beautiful garden. You've got lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and a sense of peace and tranquility. But without a fence, anyone can walk in, trample the flowers, and disrupt the harmony. Boundaries are like that fence. They protect your emotional well-being, they preserve your energy, and they create a safe and respectful space for your relationship to flourish. Now, setting boundaries isn't about being controlling or demanding. It's about having self-respect and communicating your needs in a loving and assertive way. For example, Let's say your partner has a habit of criticizing you in public. It makes you feel embarrassed and disrespected. A boundary in this situation might sound like this. I understand that you might not always agree with me, and that's okay. But when you criticize me in front of others, it makes me feel disrespected. I'm asking you to please talk to me privately about these things in the future. 5. Be consistent. It's like building a house. Every brick, every board, every nail matters. You can't expect to build a strong and sturdy foundation if you're only putting in the effort every now and then. Consistency is about showing up as your best self day in and day out, even when it's hard, even when you don't feel like it. It's about being reliable, keeping your promises, and following through on your commitments. Think about it. Who do you respect more? Someone who's always there for you, who's dependable and true to their word, or someone who's hot and cold, who's here one minute and gone the next? Consistency builds trust, and trust is the foundation of any strong and respectful relationship. When you're consistent in your actions, you show your partner that you're reliable, that you're true to your word, and that you're invested in the relationship for the long haul. And let me tell you, there's nothing more attractive than someone who's consistent, someone you can count on, someone who shows you through their actions that they value and respect you. 6. Show appreciation. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it's easy to take the people we love for granted. We get so caught up in our own routines and to-do lists that we forget to acknowledge the little things, the everyday acts of love and kindness that make our relationships so special. But let me tell you, expressing gratitude, showing appreciation, it's like watering a garden. It nourishes the relationship, it helps it grow stronger, and it keeps the love alive. Think about the last time someone went out of their way for you, big or small. Maybe they brought you your favorite coffee, offered a listening ear after a long day, or simply gave you a heartfelt compliment. How did it make you feel? Probably pretty good, right? Now imagine how much more meaningful that gesture would be if they expressed their appreciation for you in return. It doesn't have to be anything grand or elaborate. A simple thank you, a heartfelt hug, a genuine compliment. These small acts of appreciation can make a world of difference. 7. Lead by example. You've heard it said before, actions speak louder than words, and nowhere is this truer than in relationships. You can talk all day long about respect, but if your actions don't align with your words, it's all for nothing. Think about it like this. If you're constantly disrespecting others, gossiping behind their backs, or breaking your promises, how can you expect your partner to respect you? Respect starts with you. It's about treating yourself and others with kindness, empathy, and understanding. It's about being honest, trustworthy, and accountable for your actions. When you lead by example, when you embody the qualities of respect in your everyday life, you create a ripple effect. You inspire your partner to rise to the occasion, to meet you at that higher level of respect and integrity. Remember, relationships are a two-way street. If you want to be respected, you need to be willing to give respect. Lead with love, lead with kindness, and lead by example. So there you have it, the 7 powerful steps to unlock instant respect in your relationship. Remember, earning respect is a journey, not a destination. It's about consistently showing up as the best version of yourself, both for your partner and for yourself. Respect is a two-way street, and by following these steps, you'll not only earn her respect, but also build a stronger connection. It's about creating a dynamic where you both feel seen, heard, and valued for the amazing individuals you are. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. And remember, you are worthy of respect. You are capable of creating a loving and fulfilling relationship, and I believe in you. See you next time.